Hi, I'm Danyelle H. Faith driven entrepreneur, educator, and prophetic strategist. For more than 20 years, I've worked in education and leadership, but God called me higher to build systems, strategies, and spaces where leaders could heal, thrive, and serve in divine alignment. Through Ingenuity Consultants, LLC, and Divine Angels Outreach Ministries, I help leaders reset their mindset, rebuild systems, and reclaim their joy in leadership, life, and legacy. My frameworks like Cope and Connect are designed to break cycles of burnout, strengthen cultures, and release kingdom strategies that transform not just schools and businesses, but entire communities. My mission is simple to help you turn pain into purpose and to help you break cycles and build a legacy. And to remind you that you don't have to do this alone. You can CEO with Christ. As scripture says, this is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Psalms 118 and 24. So, welcome. This is your space for faith, strategy, and supernatural leadership. Subscribe and join me as we live, lead, and serve in alignment with God's divine purpose.